Good morning, day traders, and welcome to Market Minute, a hedge fund trader stock market rundown proudly presented by DTRtrading.com. Let's get after it. So today is core CPI day. That means we're waiting for data to drop at 8:30 Eastern this morning. We're waiting for 7.2% on the consumer price index and 5.9% on the core CPI. Any sort of number significantly over or under is going to bring a very dramatic move to these markets. On the SPY here, we're not getting any clues pre-market and would like to see a gap up over 460 on volume or a breakdown under this 450 on volume before this becomes tradable. Biases to the upside here after this increasing daily volume, right? Both leg breakout. So let's see that continuation move over this 460 area. QQQ, very similar story, but maybe slightly more disappointing volume profile, right? Decreasing daily volume, but still strong daily candle. Now looking for a gap up and hold of this 367.15 for a move towards that 370, right? 375 plus. Maybe we could have a little bit of joy, right? On this initial breakout. We've got a lot of room up. So let's see if we can get that candle volume combo on any breakout. A disappointing inflation number is going to have a very dramatic effect here on QQQ. And we could look for breakdowns, right, to try to fill this gap towards that 360, under that 361.90. Apple, right, very similar story, kind of consolidating here. Looks like it maybe wants to test those all-time highs, but not quite ready to do so. Decreasing daily volume, but we're okay with that within this period of consolidation. We'd like to see Apple now break out over this 177.20 on a strong volume candle combo with room towards that 180 plus. Apple becomes bearish right under this like 169.50, right, a breakdown of this consolidation, and then that can really start to sell off towards that 165 area. If we get really strong volume today and we can lose maybe this 175, there is a case for a move down towards that 172 and then 170, but my bias is still to the upside here on Apple. We haven't been able to see bears take control here, so I'm not going to assume they're going to do that. Tesla giving us a really interesting setup as well into a point of confluence here. So ascending wedge breakout, decreasing volume, exactly what you expect to see. Now hanging out just under this psych level, right, at a Bollinger Band midline. So we can get this breakout to hold, right, we're going to have a lot of room up towards that $1,000 mark. Bear case can happen if we lose that 900 mark, but I think the easiest setup is lose this trend line, lose this kind of February 3rd candle, and then we're going to have a lot of room down towards that 850 mark. So bias is still probably to the upside here on Tesla, but like to see this ascending wedge pattern breakout towards that 990, and we think we have a lot of space if it happens. First initial breakout, right, we've got maybe just a little bit time to catch our breath. We've got a little bit of room. First resistance kind of happens around that 960 to 965 area. So we can be a little bit patient waiting for that thing to be perfect. And then Microsoft kind of last but not least, right, giving us a few kind of mixed signals. So a possible ascending wedge breakout here if we can get this rip up and over this 315 area, or right, still kind of looking a bit like a bear flag if it wants to give us that follow through under this 299. So kind of maybe more one to watch here. Disappointing daily volume. Maybe needs a little bit more information before this looks particularly tradable here to me. But we'll see if it can break and hold this 315 on strong volume, and then we can kind of go from there. So that's how I plan on dominating today's action. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to follow hedge fund trades live with me, you can join at DTRtrading.com. Otherwise, have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you all tomorrow for the next Market Minute.